To set up call forwarding on your OnePlus 13, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Mobile Networks, tap on that, and then scroll all the way down and tap on Call Settings. And then tap on Operator Related Settings. And then you should see Call Forwarding. So if you tap on that, if you have a dual SIM setup, then choose which SIM card you want to set up call forwarding for. So I'm just gonna select this one, and it's first going to spend a couple of seconds checking the status of call forwarding, if it's been set up or whatever the status is with your network provider. So once it's done, now you can choose the call forwarding option you have. So you have always forward, which will forward all calls. You have when busy, so when someone calls you and you're on another phone or on another call, that means when busy, and that's when it's going to forward that call. And then you have when unanswered or when unreachable. So if these are all options, the last three options are options that don't always forward all calls. They only forward calls on condition that you're busy or you're not answering your phone or you're unreachable. So let's forward all calls. I'm just going to select always forward. Just tap on that. Then put in the phone number you want to forward your calls to. So for instance, I'll just put in a random phone number and hit OK. And now it's trying to update. And there you go. So you can see now all my calls to this particular phone number are going to be forwarded to this number that I've included here. So that is basically how to set up call forwarding on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.